Looking out right there in that ice field, that's a crashed Air Force bomber. That's where we're headed. What is that? Look at this. This must be the cockpit here. So this plane is a TB-29 Super Fortress. It's the training version of the B-29 Super Fortress, which is the same type of plane that dropped the 2 atomic bombs on Japan. This crash happened in 1957. The plane had 10 crew members and was coming back from a training mission and got off course and lost in some bad weather and struck this mountain.